How to manage your subscription on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your subscription on Deezer mobile. First, and open Deezer, and here you will find settings in the top corner. Click on it and then just click account management, and here you will find manage my subscription, and if you want to manage it just click here, and that's it. And here you can manage it, and that's it for today's video. That's how to manage your subscription plan on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.